Hello friends, I am Shivendra Mandhotra, a trainer, facilitator and a management consultant. I welcome you back in the new video of this selling skills series. Today we are going to talk about trust. Have you heard these words? Do you trust me? Can I trust you? Is that person trustworthy? Etc. So trust is a key feeling. Trust is the foundation of any relationship, whether it is personal or professional. When a mother tosses up her child in the air, the child giggles. The child feels excited. Not for a moment, child get afraid. Child doesn't get any doubt that she will fall down on the floor because child trusts her mother. Child believe that her mother will not allow any harm to come her way. That is the power of trust. This power doesn't allow negative feelings of fear and doubt to enter the mind of baby. So this is a trust for you, friend. I would share a small story with you. During the Kargil war, there are many stories, there are many heroes, but we will pick up one story for the sake of explaining you about trust. Captain Grewal with his team, a small team, went for an operation to attack enemy post and capture the enemy post. During the process, one of his soldiers got hit by enemy's bullet and the soldier was lying in the open area. The open area was under the direct watch of enemy's post. Enemy was sitting on the top of the hill. Easier for them to watch and to monitor every moment. The soldier was badly injured. His immediate evacuation was very critical for his life. Captain Grewal told his colleagues and asked them to give him covering fire so that he can go and evacuate his team member. Some of his colleagues offered that let them go and evacuate the injured soldier. But Captain Grewal took the lead. He asked them to stay back and he will go and evacuate the soldier. So he rushed to the spot, putting his life in severe risk, and he evacuated the soldier. Ultimately, the soldier was sent to the base where his life was saved. After the war was over, somebody asked Captain Grewal, Captain Grewal, what made you to put your life in such a risk that you rushed to evacuate your injured soldier, your injured colleague? Captain Grewal replied with a lot of sense of pride that it was trust, friend. My colleague trusted his life on me. He followed my order and put his life on stake. He trusted me that I will not allow any harm to come his way. And it is not just his trust on me. I also trust him equally. I strongly trust that had I been in his place, he would have done same thing. He would have saved my life. So this is the power of trust, friends. Trust creates a willingness to take high risk for others. And trust is built very carefully. You cannot build trust by talking big time. You cannot create trust by being fake. You need to be genuine to build trust. You need to be transparent to build trust. You need to be walking the talk to build trust. You need to be helpful to others to build trust. You need to fulfill your commitments, all the commitments to build trust. Trust is a feeling, friends. Trust is a feeling, and a very powerful one. It makes you take huge risk for others, and it make others to take huge risk for you. Trust have account like any bank account. The only difference is that if you deposit 100 rupees in bank account, it shows 100 rupees. Every transaction of 100 rupees will keep adding 100 rupees in your bank account. And every single withdrawal of 100 rupees will withdraw that much amount of 100 rupees from your bank account. It will empty your account by 100 rupees only, equal amount. But trust account operates differently. You need to have so many transactions to fill up the account of trust. Maybe you need to do 100 of transactions to fill up the account of trust fully. But the account get emptied very fast. In the sense, even 1 or 2 transactions can empty the entire trust account. 1 or 2 failures on commitment can empty your entire trust account. So you need to be very careful about your trust account. So if you have higher trust on your client and your client have higher trust on you, then there is very less requirement of negotiation. But lesser the trust, higher the need for negotiation, and more tough the negotiation will be. So friend, be genuine, be helpful, fulfill your commitment, be transparent, walk the talk always. Build trust and be successful. This is all about trust in this video. I'll come back very soon with another video on this series of selling skills. So if you like the video, kindly click the like button and do share with your friends. And don't forget to comment. Your feedback is very important for me. And also do subscribe to my YouTube channel. So till the time I come up with new video, thanks again. Bye bye. Have a good day.